Adam's not, so...
Huh?
But he said the funny thing is, he said he's got a staff who are...
Have I locked that car? No, I haven't.
Didn't think you did. I've shut the boot, that's it, I just shut it.
I've got my card for discount, so we get discount.
Fair enough. Good. Like a bit of discount. Now it's...
Now
do your
it's
winds,
locked.
do they not go in, your wing mirrors?
No, they do got to do it manually.
I had that little Corsa. I actually quite like that little Corsa. It's
Yeah?
quite, yeah, it was quite zippy. Well, I say zippy, it's only a
That's if
1.1.
don't know if the cash desk is open now, because it'll be probably shut.
How'd you do that on the thing then?
Have to use the machine.
I don't know.
Don't know.
No, the desk must be open, isn't it?
Yeah. Right then, so off to Bath.
You're going to go and have a bath? That'd be interesting then,
Have a
won't it?
banana. Oops, get out the way of the door. We've got a new. I sent that camera back. Got another new one, which is cheap.
All right. Oh, it's cheap.
Morning. Can I have day return two to Bath, please?
And he's got his card.
Got a card.
Rail cards.
Yep.
You manage to open it? Do you want me to open it? You got it.
Thank you very much. So 2 returns to Bath,
Yep. How much is that?
$13.50.
Blimey, that's a lot.
$6.75 each.
How much?
675.
670. Oh, I suppose that's not too bad,
Are
is
you
it?
paying it or you want to?
Well, whichever's there first.
Oh, I'll let you be first then. I'm not daft, am I? No. Oh, you can pay on card, are you?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, then I'll give you the cash.
Yeah, later.
I had
Okay,
cash.
sir, thank you.
I got cash, so.
That's all right.
Do you need your receipt?
Yes, please.
You'll have to make sure he charges me right later.
What's the time? Is the next one?
This train has 9 coaches.
Maybe I'll buy lunch instead.
No, he's too expensive for lunch.
No, she'll buy
No,
lunch.
he's too expensive for lunch.
Right, platform 2.
That one too? Lovely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. I get him now.
Yeah.
Where's the Is that the other side? Do you need to go up the thing?
Yeah, got a lift. We've got the lift. We've got the lift.
When using the lift,
When using the lift, press the button.
and then it works. I don't know what time it was. He didn't say.
No, I asked him, but
I
he
know.
didn't
He
hear
just
me.
said platform 2.
Opening.
Go for it.
Doors closing.
So we're off to Bath today.
Off-peak day return.
Yeah,
Is that what it's classed as?
yeah,
Adult standard class with disabled person's rail card.
yeah.
So how much is that full price then?
I know you get another third on top.
So another £2.20 odd on
Yeah.
each.
Yeah,
Doors
So
opening.
that's about £9 then.
yeah.
No, yeah.
5 and 6.
Doors closing.
Platform 2. Hello. Going to Bath.
It's not a problem. So I've got no booking for you at all.
No, you haven't. No,
Oh, right, the guy in the book office said you had one.
no, I haven't.
Oh,
booked.
okay.
No.
I just harassed him and said I wanted to
No, that's fine. It's advantageous if you
Oh
don't
yeah,
come in.
yeah, I know.
But yeah, I'm sure that the guard will be able to get the rampage sorted out for you.
Yeah. What time is it coming?
Allegedly at 12:12.
12.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
So it should be in a couple of minutes.
Oh wow, oh, so you timed that.
Allegedly. No. Oh yeah.
Try and find it.
didn't book.
Oh no. Well, why are you going to book? You don't know
I
you're
said,
going.
oh no, I harassed him to go out.
You don't know you're going. How do you go? Can you book? It'll be down there anyway, because it won't be up here.
This will be too far along.
I don't think.
Oh, he'll tell you where he wants.
It's normally down there. Of course I can. So let's have a look, see what one it is. Is it a 158?
Yeah. Stay behind the yellow line so they go the other side of the yellow line.
158? 158 750.
People are like literally.
I know. It won't be here. It'll be down there. It's there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. It will be busy, busy.
Yeah, they're all hiding in that one. They're hiding further along. They're all in there.
I don't know if there's another one down there, maybe. There might be.
Oh my God. They got ready for that. So where have they got
It's the 158. I hate the 158. I know, yeah.
Bunny hop that in there?
Yeah,
Eh?
of course I can.
Manual talent?
I'm a professional. No problem whatsoever. I just run a
Say
few
again?
people. No problem. I just run a few people over.
Don't worry about that. Probably ain't got tickets anyway.
What's a ticket? Right, we got to go through working. Thank you.
Right. Where is it?
Oh yeah, they
Is it over there? Yeah. Oh my God.
That's a tight one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. I thought it was turbo wrap.
hang
Have
on.
to open the door.
Right, you in?
Yep.
You in?
My wheel's stuck.
Your wheel's stuck? Yeah, go on then, that's it. It's the shape of it.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry. It's like it's
am
trying to
a good
manoeuvre the
driver, really.
angle round the corner, isn't it? It's like, makes it, you in?
Yep,
You
I'm in.
That's right, that's right. Oh, that's my foot.
Well, sit down.
Oh, no. Are you sure? Thank you.
I can't remember if I came
Right,
out.
so
I think
yeah.
if I was out, yeah. I think it's okay. Yeah, they're out.
Yeah, it's a good driver.
You're a good driver. I don't know about you. Get stuck in the way. Mind you, that's a funny angle, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the door shuts and you're just trying to come through the hole.
Because it's an old 158, it's really bad.
Oh, because that's what he just said. Have they got a 158 ramp in Bath? So obviously he's letting them know
Yeah.
they need a 158 ramp.
Because the 166 is a lot better. Just to say, oh, it's a really old frame. Really
I
old.
mean, the thing is, it's like a wheelchair gap.
Oh,
They
yeah.
don't take into consideration scooters, obviously, because if it's an old train, they wouldn't have them, would they? That's nice of them.
I know.
That's nice of them, though.
Yeah.
They just went, they said, oh, good, honey, that's fine.
Well, it's plenty of seats.
I just stand, oh, is it?
Plenty of seats down there.
I got the ticket, so we
Yeah.
need them to get out. Really, so.
Yeah, we will do. There's a receipt in there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
three.
folded the
No,
receipt
three
out.
tickets. You don't need three. What is it? Oh yeah,
Two and
two
two,
for
you donut.
two
Two
for-
for going and
yeah.
two coming back.
two for
That's your receipt.
2 for 2.
So what do you want? You want the two outwards, return. So if you want to put the return in your thing, if I do outward, we need
Yeah,
to
put it
go
in
to
there.
the machine, don't we?
Yeah, you will do.
Or they'll open the barriers anyway, won't they?
Yeah, probably.
I was gonna do these actually.
What's that?
I got scratch cards. So with your Christmas, we always do scratch cards, right? So
I haven't done Bath for ages.
no, I've been to Bath for a long time. Oh, Ewan can get his bus fare back, you see, from the place. Oh, I didn't realise I had all that money in there.
You better turn that off. Save the
Otherwise
battery.
you'll have a battery, yeah.
Let me sort out the cables as well.
Yes, then we have
12 seconds later.
he hasn't mentioned it. You keep all your things open like that.
What?
You have it
can't-
all there so you can
No, delete
you know,
bottom button.
no, you just do that.
Delete the bottom button. That little
I just did that.
up goes up.
Yeah, that's not taking anything off.
They're only notifications. They're not. They're not out.
He hasn't been usually.
No.
So we just come in.
Yeah, we're here. It's very quick.
That was it. They've got to wait. The thing is, they're all going to rush out of that hole anyway, so you need better to let them go.
It's about 200 grand plough.
They got to get the ramp on anyway.
Ploughed in and
He was radioing it. Oh no, because this one's got the ramp on it. So he's got to get to the
Yeah,
ramp anyway.
he'll be
to
here.
get us off.
He said he
Yeah,
couldn't
no, he
come.
will.
Does he live on a barge? Yeah.
All these people waiting to dive in this hole, but they've got to let us out first anyway, so. We can't go anywhere. We can't go anywhere until he comes to do the ramp, so you might.
Alright, sure.
Yeah, no, he's
Yeah.
got to bring the ramp, so.
Alright, okay.
So you're better off to fix it.
Have a good day.
All right.
Thank you, take care. Thank you.
Right. That was quite a lot of people, wasn't it?
Yeah, there was. We just got to wait for him to get the ramp.
Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. Sorry.
No, I was just like, all the people were waiting to let us get over. I said, no, I said, come on.
Everyone knows what ploughs on, so I get something to get around.
Okay.
This is Miss here as well, but sorry, let's get a
It's very clever. Like before, you used to have to go hunting for the ramps. They used to be on the side, didn't they? Like,
They are.
they are they?
Yeah.
That's fine. I don't want to clip. There it is.
It's bloody pins, isn't it? Do my head
Yeah,
in.
pain in the ass. Thank you very much. Got to go left. There's only one left. Only one left, but it's only a small one.
When they got rabbits like that.
Yeah, they could make a like a underpass there. I don't know.
I don't know. Well, that was 10 minutes ago. I didn't seem like 10 minutes ago, did it? When did that 10 minutes ago? I'll give it a call in a minute. Problem is, that's the real weather of the lift's bugger, isn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah, he's stuck. And it's so slow.
Well, the problem is,
I don't know why it's got to take that long to come up and down.
the running Westbury was like Westbury. It's really there, and all the words, but like, literally just like that.
It's not that big, but you might be alright. Oh,
let the lift go, it'll go.
Yeah.
You might get in with those people.
I doubt it, they got a buggy.
Yeah, get in there, Andrew.
Yeah.
Oh, we will. Thank you.
Alright.
Come on, it's Ruth.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
loads
let's
of room.
go. let's make it.
I've got the buttons. I've got the buttons.
Loads of room.
You tilt it sideways, maybe. Only because, yeah, I didn't want it to get caught. Yeah, let's all get in. It's cosy.
I was in London and I was going down. I just got fed up. Couldn't find the lift, so I was just dragging it down the steps, and we all fell off. And this woman was running after me. Excuse me, says you will.
And you're like, I don't think so. And then you went, oh, actually it is.
I thought, sorry.
All right, hold on, puppy. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello, sweetheart. Go on, do you want to go? Do you want to go? Because you're reverse that. Do you want to go?
Yeah, come on. Oh dear.
Get little one moving. Once they're moving, that'll be it. Be happier then.
Mind your feet.
Yeah, no, I've got my arm there so it doesn't shut.
Why is it going so slow? Fuck no. Don't know what's going on there.
Reverse it, there we go.
That was really slow, wasn't it?
Yeah, see, I did that. No,
Yeah.
I said she might as well come in as well. She was waiting
Oh,
before
look.
you.
I know. Well, she only just arrived.
Yeah, but she. That's why I said come on in.
Good God, what is wrong with this place? Oh my God.
Look, Andy, that's why. Look,
I know.
it don't make it big enough.
Not big enough.
If you've got a bigger thing, then
I don't know why it's going slowly backwards. What's going on with that? It's weird.
you've got it on. You've got it on snail.
I've got it on
Oh,
fast.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
South side, is that going to be any good
Yeah,
for you?
that's right.
We need to show.
South side, yeah.
Do we know where that is? Do you want to go that way?
Uh,
That way?
No.
We don't really want to go that way, do we?
No.
It smells alright though.
Or smells like shit.
It doesn't smell like shit. Shit is not fragrant.
It
It
is.
smells like cooked foods. It smells like cooked foods. I don't know about it.
Here you go.
Yeah, so there we go. Excellent. Thank you very much.
Oh, we're not going that way. We're going this way.
If you go slightly towards
Yeah.
the left, there's a wider gate.
Yeah, all right.
You're going to be waiting today for Andy, aren't you?
Well, yeah, doesn't matter really, do it?
You're going to. It's
I
just
could
like,
have-
it's like having to turn all these
I
things.
could have gone through that one actually. It would have been all right.
Would you fit through, would you?
Yeah.
You don't know.
Well, here we are.
Wait, wait.
Here we are. We're in Bar. Wow.
What's your, where's the do that?